Have you just spent your hard-earned dough on a Roomba? These robot vacuums are expensive, so you want to make sure they're going to last. For longevity, you should do a bit of simple but regular maintenance. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and while each of these vacuums and even the Braava Jet mop have its own specific requirements, generally speaking, there are some things you can do for all of them to keep them in good working order. Let's dig into that, and an early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
Your robot vacuum or mop navigates using special sensors. They look a little like tinted windows. Wipe them with a damp cloth to remove any dust that might impede them seeing their way around. Similarly, underneath, there's cliff sensors that prevent your robot from falling off ledges. Make sure those are clean too.
Now, even if they're still spinning and the vacuum is running, fibers, string, threads, and hair can get tangled up in the brushes and the rollers, and they will also hide in the locking mechanisms that hold the rollers into place.
Remove the rollers by popping them out. The frame around the rollers opens with the pinch of a lever, and each roller is clearly marked with a shape so you can put it back correctly. Pull them out, untangle or cut anything obstructing them, and remove any tangles from the ends. Hair and fibers tend to hide inside the ends of these rollers and can impede their movement. Keeping the rollers clear is important because tough fibers can actually get pulled tight and cut through the rubber of the rollers if you leave them in place for too long. A fact I found out when I went to shoot this video. Time for a replacement. You can and should also remove the front caster wheel and the corner or edge brushes to pull out tightly wound or hidden tangles too. Now, in some cases, you might need a screwdriver to remove these. Either way, it's pretty easy.
Dust accumulates, not surprisingly, in the dustbin and the bin well where it sits. Empty the bin out and then remove the filter. The filter, by the way, is not generally washable, so if it's really dirty, it might be time to order a replacement.
You can tap the filter to clear out the dust or use a brush. Then rinse the bin with warm water and make sure you get all the corners and crevices. You'll need to air dry it completely before you replace it. Next, wipe out the bin well with a damp cloth and remove any debris that's lingered in there. One last cleanup. You'll want to wipe the charging contacts on both the robot and the base station, and then wipe any dust or debris from around the base station and vacuum intakes or suction ports. Now is also a good time to empty your dust bag if it's full or nearly full.
Those are the key tips for you to keep your brand new Roomba or Braava Jet running smoothly. If you want to read more about these bots and check out full reviews or more details on how to keep them clean and in good working order, head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com, or you can search for those videos here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. If you found this video helpful and you liked it, please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Until the next time, you can catch me on Twitter or Instagram. You can find me at ErinLYYC. I'm also always hanging around Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.